Hi guys, in this class I will discuss with you about a CMS system that we will develop using PHP and MySQLi. So this video will introduce basics of CMS system, about its introduction, as we will develop a CMS system. Different table we will create for CMS system, different page we have to create for this system. So all the basic things that are required for this CMS system I will discuss with you in this class. This is very important one class, fundamental video in which I will share basic things that will be need to create this type of system. So first of all, you should know that what is CMS system. This is a content management system in which user will be able to manage content. How a user can manage a content? So user will be able to insert record, insert data, and fetch or retrieve data from the database table and display to user and perform different operations on that data. So user should be able to update record, and then also user should have control to delete any record. So these are the different activities in a CMS system. What type CMS system we will develop in this course? We will develop a blog type of CMS system. We will create a blog type of website. This will be a CMS based system in which user will be able to create its account, register, and then log in, and user will be able to move to dashboard, create post. After creating post, user will be able to see its all posts that are published by logged user, and there will be another user, admin user. Admin will have all the control in a CMS system, delete any user, edit any user, and see all the posts, see all the user of a CMS system. So different functionality I will share with you. What skill will need for this CMS system creating? So you should know about basics of HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and we will use a PHP programming language with MySQLi extension to connect with MySQL database. So this is basic information about CMS system. So different things that will require in this CMS system that we'll create using PHP and MySQLi. First of all, how much pages that will be need for this system to create. So first of all, I want to tell you total 16 expected page that will be required to create. For example, their page's name, home page, register page, login page, admin register page, in which on this page admin will be able to register any user. All post page, it means that all the post in a CMS system will be displayed to admin, not user. And all the user page, it means that all the user of this CMS system will be visible to admin. These are two pages related to admin. And blog single page, and also dashboard page, edit post page, edit user by admin page. So in this page, admin will be able to edit any user. User profile page, profile setting page, user posting page, in which all the post will be display of logged user. Logout page, del post page, del user post page. So these are different pages that are expected for this CMS system that will be need to create. Another thing is that total number of table, because we have to create a table for this CMS system in MySQL database. Then we have to create table. How much table we will require? Only two table we need. Table name is user table, another is a post table. So different properties means column name for user will be, for example, user ID, user name, user email, user password, user picture, user date of birth, we will get user country, user city, user website, user bio, and is admin. This is a column name. So using this column name, we can make any user to admin. By default, we will pass this value false. All the user will be normal user, and admin will be able to convert any normal user to admin user. So you can get date of birth from user. So it depend upon you. So I will get date of birth from user. You can change this column name to registration date of user. So different format I want to use in this CMS system. So another is a table properties and column name for post. So post ID, post title, post description, post content, post picture, post date of publishing. Another is a post user, which user published this post. So these are information about table and their properties or column name. So another is that there is a relationship between user and post. You can see that this column will be a foreign key. So user ID, here we will pass a user ID. A user ID means, for example, you are logging in account, you are creating a post, then automatically that logged user ID will be pasted in this column. So another is a very important topic, that is a relationship. Relationship means that a relationship between two entities. Post is the entity, that is a real world things, and user is also a entity. So a relationship between two entities we will discuss here. So there is one to many relationship between post and user, because if there is one user instance, for example X user, in other side there are many posts, because a single user can post many are created by the same user, but one post may created by only one user, not many. So this one post is belong to only one user. So this is all about CMS system basics in PHP and MySQLi. So don't miss any lecture from this course, because you will learn how you can create a complete CMS system using PHP programming language and MySQLi extension using MySQL database. So meet in another class in which we will start our work. Thank you.